We have had this laundromat for just over 3 years, and we completely remodeled it. Cleanliness is the most important thing for a laundromat. If you have a bright, nice, clean laundromat, it shows that you care about it, and that's why they'll drive by 5 or 6 other laundromats to come to ours, and they don't need to worry that it's going to be dirty or gross or smell funny. The biggest bottleneck we had is we had to completely remodel the entire store. All brand new equipment, get the network in place, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. It turned out to be easier. The best part about having new equipment with Huebsch is we don't have to do much. If there's a problem with the machine tells us what the problem is, so we don't have to worry about guessing what's wrong with it. And we can put it out of order remotely if we need to. They look good, they run great. My favorite thing about the touch control is that it's got multiple languages to cater to our customer base. So originally when we opened up the store after the remodel, the biggest complaint I had from customers who were visiting from out of town was they didn't want to have to download an app. And I don't blame them, I don't want to do it either. Now that we have Scan Pay Wash, I wish we would have had it from the get-go because I would not have had to buy a credit card system from a third party. And we found that it's usually our biggest machines are where people were traditionally going through and putting $17 in quarters in. They're now coming and doing Scan Pay Wash and starting it up right away. With the modifiers, we found that most of our customers, about 80%, use at least one modifier on our equipment. So we're getting a little bit more revenue because of Scan Pay Wash. So our customers don't want to deal with coin. Nobody wants a pocket full of quarters. When they can come in and pay with their phone, it's the same way you buy gasoline. Nobody pays cash for gas for the most part. One huge advantage with the Huebsch Command app on the customer side is they can see how busy my store is before they even show up. They're able to pull up and see how many machines are in use and say, maybe I'll wait 45 minutes before I go in. I would recommend Huebsch Command to anybody who would like to know what their store or their equipment is doing. It could be 2 in the morning, I can quickly look from wherever I'm at. Okay, the machines are up and running, there's no issues, we don't have any alarms. I can see when the ideal time for us to do things are and when it's not. The red is the peak time for that day. And without getting reports from the equipment, I wouldn't have that information. I would just have to guess when my peak time is. I don't spend very much time in the stores unless it's needed. Most of the time it's because I'm here to interact with customers or just to pop in and see how things are going. We're able to see what customers have spent the most money with us, and we give them additional rewards as a thank you. So we're able to run promotions and provide rewards to customers where our nearest competitors are not. I think it's one of the best systems around. We're looking forward to expanding, having more stores. All right, this is our newest project, and we're excited to have customers come in and start using it. But I got into managing laundromats because I was tired of seeing the way it was done before. We want everyone to look at our store and say, that's what I'd like to have. This is a good investment. It's a clean place. That's what I want to see for customers.